After a very long struggle with mudslinging, slander and hate, Advocate Mahere has managed to expose the president of the Citizens Coalition for Change, Advocate Chamisa, to the electorate once more. Let us get into the story for more details.
We implore parents, pastors, teachers, work professionals, mentors, please let's speak to our young, let's encourage them to vote, let's reinforce the message that voting works. Trust me, it does, it makes all the difference. But even beyond that, we have to participate to ensure that we're part of the change we want to see. Don't sit back and outsource your struggle to Ellen or Ian. Make sure you get involved. Like I said, we're just about to roll out a wide-ranging volunteer program, so there'll be space for everybody to get involved, whether you're a lawyer, whether you're a creative, whether you're a doctor, whether you're an accountant, acting for change, whether you're an artist, a musician. There's space for everyone. Let's make this the biggest election that they've seen in the region. President Chamisa has already emphasized that the campaign that we're going to run for 2023 is going to be the biggest, the brightest. It's going to be a full campaign. We're going to continue to inspire hope, a thirst for change, emphasizing hope, accountability and development so that we can build a Zimbabwe that we can all be proud of. So I re-emphasize, I can't emphasize enough, let's all register to vote. Thank you.
You have heard the advocate, the spokesperson speaking. In the comment section, let us talk. What do you think?